What's going on there, my second grade all-stars? Happy Friday, guys. Hope you had a good week so far. I know you boys and girls have been showing up. You guys have been crushing it, and super proud and just ready to get after it today. So in math, I know this week that you boys and girls, we've been talking about regrouping and renaming. And today what we're focusing on is sometimes we do and sometimes we don't, and it's really paying attention to that. It's a little review day today. So we're going to do 4 problems together. We're going to quiz you. Let's see how many stars. Every time that you get a problem right, boys and girls, you get a point. So we're going to see how many people are walking away with 4 points today, and it'll be pretty awesome. So first problem up. If you have a pencil and paper, excellent, write this on down. If you don't have a pencil and paper, what I want you to do, pause the video, go grab one, and then when you get back, start it back up. First problem, boys and girls. 728 minus 475. So, just like before, as always, we're going to make sure, boys and girls, that we line up our ones, tens, and hundreds. So that 5, we make sure that it's lined up perfectly below the 8. That our 7 tens are right below the 2 tens, and that the 4 hundreds is right below the 700s. All right, boys and girls, go ahead, pause that video, and then we'll see you back in a couple seconds. All right there, my young scholars. Let's see how you boys and girls did. We remember, we always want to start in the ones place. And we know that poem, more on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door, get 10 more. Numbers the same, zeros the game. So we look, there's more on top, no need to stop. So we can go 8 minus 5 equals 3. So now we go to the tens, and we made sure that we took our time, that we said that poem. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door, get 10 more. Numbers the same, zeros the game. So we look, more on the floor, we're going to go grab 100. So we cross out the 7, make it a 6. Come on over. You could have wrote it in front of the 2. Or you could have crossed out the 2 tens, made it 12 tens. And here we go. 12 minus 7 equals 5. Then we come over to the hundreds place, boys and girls, and we say 6 minus 4. There's more on top. 6 minus 4 equals 2. If you had 253, give yourself a star. Excellent job, boys and girls. And what Mr. Martin likes to do is, there's a special about Michael Jordan on ESPN right now. My favorite player of all time. Great basketball player. So if you got that star right there, if you got that problem right, shoot a jump shot. And we'll just leave it up in the air. Excellent job, boys and girls. Made a shot right there. Next problem. Here we go. Write this one down, boys and girls. 685 minus 245. We want to find that difference. We want to make sure we take our time. We write it down. 685 minus 245. All right, boys and girls. Pause that video. We'll see you in just a couple seconds. Welcome back, my friends. Here we go. So we look in the ones place. We always want to start on that ones. And I say that poem in my head. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor. We go next door, get 10 more. Numbers the same. Zeros the game. Well, we know 5 minus 5, numbers the same. Zeros the game. Then we come over to our tens. We see there's more on top. I say that poem in my head. There's more on top. No need to stop. And so 8 minus 4. Maybe I don't know what 8 minus 4 is. So 4 plus what equals 8? It's a devil's fact. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Using addition to help with subtraction. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So 8 minus 4 equals 4. Now we come over to the hundreds place, and we look 6 minus 2, boys and girls. There's more on top, no need to stop. So we go 6 minus 2 equals 440. We didn't have to rename or regroup it all during in this problem. But let's say the difference. The difference between 685 and 245 is 440. If you got that right, boys and girls, give yourself a star and shoot that jumper. Excellent job. 2 more to go, boys and girls. 2 more to go. This one right here. 851 minus 235. We want to know the difference between 851 and 235. Go ahead, my friends. Pause that video. I will see you in just a couple seconds. All right, boys and girls, here we go. Let's see. I know you boys and girls are crushing it, that you're taking your time, you're saying that poem, so there's no doubt in my mind that you absolutely crushed this one. But let's check it out. We start in the ones place, always in the ones place. And I see there's more on the floor. So I'm going to go next door and get 10 more. So that means we do what to the 5? We're going to come over to the 10s, cross out the 5. It becomes a 4. Bring it over to the 1s, just like writing a 1 right in front, which will make it 11. Or you can cross that out, make it 11. Then we can subtract. 11 minus 5 equals 6. I know 5 plus 5 equals 10, so 5 plus 6 would equal 11, so 11 minus 5 equals 6. Then we come over to the 10s, boys and girls. We have 4 now, 4 10s. We want to take away 3 ones. Well, we see there's more on top. No need to stop. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. Then we come on over to our hundreds. 8 minus 2, we see more on top. 8 minus 2 equals 6. 616. So say it with me, my friends. The difference of 851 minus 235 equals 616. If you got that right, if you're rocking and rolling, boys and girls, give yourself a star. Why don't you give yourself a smiley face too and shoot that jumper. Excellent job, boys and girls. Last one. You notice when you take your time, when you say that poem in your head, when you start in the ones place to the 10s to the hundreds, it's so easy. Too easy, boys and girls. Last one. 964 minus 251. We want to find the difference. Whenever we subtract, we find the difference. So let's set that problem up. Line up the ones with the ones, 10s with the 10s, hundreds with the hundreds. There we go. All right, 964 minus 251. Last problem of the day there, scholars. Please pause that video, and we will see you in just a minute. All right, boys and girls, here we go. Last one. Let's see. Give me a thumbs up if you think you rock and roll this one. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah, I better see that. I know you boys and girls did a great job. So we start in the ones place. There's more on top. Means no need to stop. So we're going to go and subtract. 4 minus 1 equals 3. So now we go over to the 10s. I say that poem in my head again. 6 or more on top. No need to stop. More on the floor. Go next door. Get 10 more. Numbers the same. Zero's the game. There's more on top. No need to stop. 6 minus 5 equals 1. So now we come over to the hundreds, boys and girls. And we look 9 minus 2. All right, more on top. 9 minus 2. You can use addition to help you. 2 plus what would equal 9? 7, right? 2 plus 7 equals 9. Or you could have counted backwards. 9, 8, 7. 713. Boys and girls, if you crush this one, give yourself a star, give yourself a smiley face, and instead of shooting the jumper, let's dunk this. 2 hands. dunk it on the hoop. Let's go. So excellent job, boys and girls. It's all about taking your time. It's all about saying that poem in your head over and over and over again. Okay? Use those strategies. Take your time. You can use addition to help you with subtraction. Boys and girls, awesome job. So I had a great time. I hope you boys and girls had a great time. What we want you to do is you're going to go to Freckle. Check out Freckle. If your teacher left you an assignment, do that assignment. If not, go into adaptive practice and work in the adaptive practice section. We are so proud of you. So proud. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for being willing to work hard. Not everybody's willing to work hard, but you boys and girls are. And hard work gets you far. So keep working hard. Keep smiling. Keep shining. Always know that we're so proud of you. And can't wait to see you again. Have a wonderful weekend, boys and girls. Bye.